Hello, everyone. Back with an IRS tax refund update. On today's episode, we'll recap the latest when it comes to those ongoing tax refund delays many continue to experience. We'll also take a look at some of the main factors that are causing tax processing delays and what has made this year one of the worst on record when it comes to those delays, including credits such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, and Recovery Rebate Credit, as well as those returns containing errors, and a reminder for those who received interest from the IRS and what to be prepared for next. Now, checking in on the current status of those ongoing tax return processing delays, we have to report as of this recording the IRS has stopped releasing their weekly data on the ongoing progress being made, and that they've not released any data past week ending August 26th. We cannot confirm if they're still processing 500,000 returns a week or has slowed down in their progress. Based on the latest data, we do estimate there's still approximately 7 million tax returns that remain unprocessed, that is, both e-file and paper returns. Now, one of the most commonly asked questions this year has been what has made this year one of the worst on record when it comes to tax return processing and refund delays. Now, it does go beyond the staffing issues and the 1960s computer technology the IRS still uses. And the two biggest causes of these delays, even for those not claiming either, have been related to the child tax credits and recovery rebate credits, which have resulted in over 12 million tax returns containing errors. In most cases, the IRS was able to automatically adjust these 12 million tax returns containing errors, but it did take away resources away from processing of those error-free tax returns, including many of yours as a result. What did make things worse was those who claimed advanced CTC payments was the IRS sent out notices with the incorrect amount of CTC payments a taxpayer received, resulting in that taxpayer listing the wrong amount on their tax returns, which was obviously not their fault. Even if you do not claim the recovery rebate credit, those of you with error-free tax returns may be experiencing delays as the IRS moves to correct those containing errors related to the RRC. Now, taxpayers who never received that third stimulus payment were to claim that recovery rebate credit on their tax returns. However, in a number of cases, the IRS has indicated the said taxpayer did in fact receive that stimulus payment and moved to adjust their expected refund, deducting the recovery rebate credit. For those of our viewers who never received that third stimulus payment and who will not be receiving that recovery rebate credit applied to their tax returns, will need to go online and fill out IRS Form 3911 as seen here so that a payment trace can be initiated to locating that missing stimulus payment. The IRS may have sent it to an old bank account or mailed it to an old mailing address on file. Taxpayers who claim the Earned Income Tax Credit have been seeing some of the longest delays and issues this year, many of whom are seeing audits and refund freezes on their tax transcripts as a result. What we're seeing this year has been an increase of audits for those claiming EITC, whether it's taxpayers who have been claiming the same dependents for years or the first time. One of the reasons we've been seeing this increase is because it was determined the previous tax year $19 billion were paid out of improper EITC payments, which was about 25% of all EITC payments sent. Now, taxpayers under audit in regards to claiming EITC will be requested to submit documentation to the IRS in regards to their dependents. However, in many cases, the taxpayers who need to submit documentation never in fact received a notice from the IRS in the first place, which has caused additional months of delays. And it was only after reaching out to the IRS did taxpayers discover what items they needed to submit to continue the processing of their tax returns. Paper filers are by far the largest group who are experiencing delays this year and are also directly impacted by the technology issues at the IRS. With the IRS not planning on improving paper processing, we're going to continue to see long delays for paper filers even into next year. IRS employees must manually enter every single number and character into the computer system from paper returns, and last year 22% of paper returns saw an IRS data entry error as a result. A reminder to those who did in fact receive interest payments from the IRS this year due to late refunds that the money you receive in interest is in fact taxable, and that in January, the IRS will send out to you a 1099 INT form like seen here for you to report on your 2022 tax returns as earned income. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing issue as we rely on information provided by our viewers and seeing the progress or lack of progress being made with these ongoing delays. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the subscribe button below and thumbs up for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.